gotta be honest, these things are kind of ugly. Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy YEEZY Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the YEEZY 500 High in the TYRIAN colorway. Now before we do that, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy YEEZY Kicks. Let's get it. So this is the second colorway of the YEEZY 500 in the high version. Now guys, I am not trying to be a hater, I'm not trying to hate, but like these just aren't it. Like, especially for me, obviously if you guys like this shoe, you know, do what you want to do, go cop the shoe. You don't like this video, you don't like my opinion, yo, hit the dislike. I really don't care. These things are but ugly. I can't get over this shoe. Honestly, it just looks like an ugly hiking shoe, and this is why Yeezys are starting to die down. So I'm gonna just go over this shoe real quick and then we'll jump into the on foot. Really gonna try to not waste any time. Starting off, the good thing about this shoe is the quality. The suede up on the upper, the leather, even this padded material is all very nice quality. You guys can see that black tumbled leather, very like grainy. Definitely want to see some buttery suede like this. But even with the quality as great as it is, I really just can't rock with this shoe. It just looks really funky, it's really bulky. Now I have seen some people be able to pull this off, and I do think it looks good on feet, on other people. But my biggest problem when putting this shoe on foot was looking down at my own feet. They just looked so bad. It really messes with your confidence, and I really just did not want to deal with this shoe. I couldn't see myself rocking it. It did look all right with some jeans. I don't see anyone pulling this shoe off with shorts. That's just not happening. So you do have the same type of tongue on the 500 lows. It's just a little longer. The tongue is nicely padded. Now you do have the little stretchy rope-like laces, which make for a nice tight comfort fit, which that is another good thing about this shoe. They are pretty comfortable. Obviously the outsole does not have boost technology, so it's kind of lacking on the outsole. As far as the upper goes, this shoe really just hugs your feet, and it is actually really comfortable. They look like they're going to be super bulky, but really they're just like soft and light. So comfort wise, like this is definitely a nice shoe. It's the look that's killing me. Now, like I said, the outsole does not have your boost technology. It's just a solid rubber outsole. Very bulky, clunky, all over the place. I don't really like it. Now, another big problem with this shoe is the colorway. I do feel like the first colorway was way better than this. I just don't like the browns, blacks mixing in with some blue. Like, it just doesn't make sense. I'm gonna go over the value on this shoe and if there's any resale, as well as what this shoe's looking like in the future as far as value wise. Now before we do that, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
Hey, it's a one-man rotation. I'm not passing what I'm facing. Should have been born a Marley child, cause I'm dreaded up and I'm blazing. I'm a yellow ass Jamaican. I transform into Liam Neeson if your girlfriend taken. Fuck Wiley, you tragic. Ain't no semi-automatics. Everything I send is rapid. Well, let them get the satisfaction. Tesla, why you always snapping? I don't got an answer for the questions that y'all asking.
Bam. Like I said, they're not that bad with jeans, but there's no way I'm rocking these with shorts. I didn't even include that in this video just because I put them on feet with shorts and it just looks so bad. I can't put that out online. That's just not happening. Now, as far as value on this shoe, it's currently sitting around retail. So if you tried flipping this shoe, you really aren't making that much money, like 10, 20 bucks. Kim Kardashian just posted a picture on Instagram of her wearing these, and I imagine that's gonna help the market go up. I really assume Kanye West saw how bad this shoe was doing compared to his other Yeezys and was like, hey, babe, throw these shoes on, you know, go to the gym, get a nice Instagram picture. So if you really wanted to hold on to this shoe for a few years, you might be able to make 50, maybe $100. I just don't find that worth it holding on to this shoe. There you guys have a quick look at the Yeezy 500 High in the TYRIAN colorway. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Did you cop? Are you gonna cop now that you've seen this video? Let me know all that good stuff down below. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_cakes23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Cakes. We out. Bro, this cut though. Ooh. Ooh. Dang.